Detailed biography of Revenge Love, Tian XUNIng and Ziyu. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Name Tian XUNIng. Nickname. He does not have a publicized nickname. Author services as his approachable alternative to his formal Chinese name, particularly on social media and international platforms. Profession. Tian is an actor under Hochi Film and TV. He is known for roles in First Love, Sweet Rap, The Silent Wife and Revenge Love. Date of birth. Born on September 19, 1997. He is 27 years old in 2025, embodying youthful energy in roles across romance and modern dramas. Zodiac sign. He is a Virgo, known for precision and work ethic, traits visible in his role choices and polished performances. Birthplace. Hailing from China, he represents emerging talents from less central Chinese regions, now shining in national TV dramas. Education. Details on his education are not public, but he began acting formally in 2019, suggesting early artistic interest prior to industry debut. Sexual orientation. Tian has not publicly discussed his sexual orientation. As with many Chinese actors, he keeps his private life private, focusing instead on acting. Family. No confirmed details about his family are available. Like many rising Chinese performers, he favors protecting personal over public life. Debut. He debuted in 2019, quickly landing supporting roles in popular series like I Am the Yes, You Are the Stars and First Love. Rise to fame. His roles in Sweet Rap and The Silent Wife laid the groundwork. Now his casting in the 2025 BL drama Revenge Love promises breakthrough fame. Notable works. Standout projects include First Love, Sweet Rap, The Silent Wife, Revenge Love. Music career. Tian is solely on acting. There is no public record of a music career or OST contributions. Reality shows. So far, he has no documented variety show appearances. His focus remains on scripted television. Net worth. Specific financial figures are not public, but as a rising actor on multiple mainstream dramas, his earnings likely reflect mid-level success in Chinese entertainment. Income source. His income streams from TV drama acting fees, advertising endorsements, emerging attention from social media promotions. Cars. There is no public information about his vehicle ownership, likely private or not disclosed. Hobbies. His leisure interests are not public, though his calm off-screen presence suggests a low-key lifestyle typical of private actors. Pets. No pet-related information is available publicly. If any, he keeps it private. Famous chemistry. In Revenge Love, he plays Chi Chang opposite Ziyu. This BL pairing is already gaining buzz and fan anticipation. Final note. At 27, Tian is emerging as a promising face in Chinese TV, especially with upcoming BL roles, building from strong supporting parts and under-recognized agency representation. He is poised for a breakthrough in 2023. Name. His birth name is Zhang Peng. Nickname. His stage name Ziyu. Profession: Ziyu is a Chinese singer, dancer, and actor. Date of birth: Ziyu was born on July 6, 2002, making him 22 years old in 2025. Zodiac sign: his Western zodiac sign is Cancer, known for empathy and loyalty. Birthplace: Ziyu was born in China. Education: he studied in the performance department at Beijing Contemporary Music Academy, receiving vocal, dance, and acting training. Sexual orientation: Ziyu has not publicly disclosed his sexual orientation, although he plays romantic roles in BL dramas like Revenge Love. He keeps his personal life orientation private, a standard approach in the Chinese entertainment industry. Family: Ziyu maintains a private profile in this area, focusing media attention on his career achievements. This privacy helps fans appreciate his work without distraction from personal background detail. Debut: he debuted professionally in mid 2020 on the survival show We Are Young, ranked 33, followed by Youth with You 3 in 2021, ranked 31. Rise to fame: Ziyu's popularity surged after leaving the group amid public revelation in December 2022 about being assaulted by a bandmate and losing Weibo access. Assaulted: Ziyu confirmed he was assaulted by bandmate Zhang on December 8, 2022, citing physical harm and agency separation. The bandmate, however, argued it was mutual. Both parties offer conflicting accounts, and Ziyu has taken legal steps regarding his contract. Notable works: key works include My Lady Journal acting debut, Revenge Love lead as a Wushu Wei, other 2025 dramas, Just Wanna Be With You, Finding You. Music career: music remains a strong pillar in his career. He debuted musically with Shenyuan album New Light in June 2021 and its single later that year. Reality shows: he participated in the reality competition We Are Young and Youth with You 3, building his initial audience. Net worth: his income sources, music group, revenues, solo release royalties, acting fees, and endorsements suggest growing financial success. Cars: he maintains privacy regarding lifestyle assets. Any visibility around vehicles likely comes from travel photos rather than car specific content. Hobbies: additional hobbies have not been shared publicly yet. Famous chemistry: Revenge Love featured Ziyu opposite Tian, playing the lead couple Wu Su Well and Chi Chang. Their chemistry is already recognized by fans and is expected to be a highlight of the series. Final note: at 22 years old, Ziyu has experienced rapid transformation from a reality show contest to an idol group member to a solo artist and lead actor in a major 2025 BL drama. His resilience, aimed controversy, solid musical foundation, and growing on-screen presence position him as a significant emerging talent in China's entertainment industry. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.